Alrighty, so if you guys asked if the cops care about this, and here's the answer to that question. This video, I was actually running from them. I knew they were called an hour and a half earlier. It's obvious when they're called. I know the people that called. It's obvious they called 3 times. This is their 3rd time. But what I did, you guys might have seen here, by the park in a concession stand where you pull in, I saw it. It was a white Suburban with the yellow sheriff lettering around the side. So I figured, hey, it's him. I gotta get out of here. So what I did, I just got my MiniBike. I was on it for like 2 minutes probably. I just got back out because I figured they would be gone by now. They weren't. But so what I saw him, I'm like, all right, this is him. It's go time, so I gotta go. Cyber lighting. I didn't have it set to night vision or nighttime. I just had it set to normal mode. So yeah, but you can understand the main concept. No tickets as of yet. It wasn't taken away yet. Cops don't even know. They probably know me from my YouTube, but they haven't seen me yet. So yep, this happened. So yeah, watch the video.
Can you do me a favor real quick? Could you go to the concession stand and see if there's a cop there?
No, there's no cops there.
No, are you sure? Are you there right now?
Did another car just pull up?
A car just pulled up, and I looked at it, and it was like a Suburban, and it had like yellow lettering.
Was there 2 cars? Or 1 car?
I know what you're talking about. There was 2 that pulled in right when we were leaving, and then it went around a bit, and then there was another car that pulled in, and it.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So I may be hiding from the cops right now. Possibility. You know what? My friend lives right here. I'm gonna go in his house. Are you there yet or no?
At the park. There was nobody there, but there's some headlights at the park. Where are you?
I'm at Collins right now. Did you see a car at the concession stand?
The what?
Did you see a car at the concession stand?
There's no car at the concession stand, but there's a car like at the park.
Could you go look, see if it's anything?
There's a car. Oh, I gotta go.
Can you come pick me up?
Yeah, where are you?
Alright, when you're going down towards the park, after the stop sign, the first street to the right.
Okay.
Yeah, can you go pick me up there? I'm trying to find
Are you able to see me?
No, where we are, you should be fine. I'll ride in front of you and we can go to a side street.
What? What do you mean you're hiding from the cops, though? What does that mean?
I'm on my MiniBike and someone called the cops on me, so I'm...
Right there.
Hello?
Are you Matt?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was him. He was looking around the park.
Yeah, is he still at the park?
Yeah, he went around the park.
I saw he had a spotlight, right?
Yeah, he had his headlights on, and
I saw
he pulled into the park, and he was like, the park closed, and he was like, yeah, I lost my phone earlier, I'm trying to find it. So, yeah, just going around.
Is he still there right now?
Huh?
Is he still at the park right now?
I don't know, a car came by my house, but I didn't see if it was a cop or not.
Alright, there's a car here, it might
Well,
be a
it
cop.
might have been, it might not have been.
Okay, we'll go.